welcome to Idle. This is Python. We are going to be doing some coding today, and the coding. I think I'm gonna be showing you guys what some functions do that are pre-built, and how to do some other stuff. So let's get started right off the bat. If I can. So, there are certain functions that work just in the shell. So, let's say, let's set a variable. So, let's say, apple is our variable here. And we want to do apple equals, it can equal anything, it can equal any number. So, let's just press some random numbers. 452. Okay. So, this right here, this could be literally anything. So I could put that, literally anything, equals literally anything, right? So now if I wanted to, let's say, add these, I can just go down here and bring apple down here. I could subtract it, I could add it. I could just do that, and then as you can see, it outputs the number there. So that's the function for variables. So that's just how writing things as variable works. So now there's just a normal addition. So if we wanted to do that plus that, and we don't want that double, yeah, not good. It gives us a number. Oh, yeah, 5020. Alright, now there you can do apple plus anything and it still works. I can do that crazy thing with anything and it still works. Now there are other things called strings, if I can read right. Let's use the help function. Okay, then that doesn't work. Let me cut that out. Strings are a group of letters in order. So let's say I wanted to put my underscore string equals A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alright, so that works. So now if I go, oops, I wanted to go like that. So now I would have to save using Command or Control S as YT tutorial. That's what it would be, and then I could press F5 to run it, and now if I put my string it prints out my string. Now I can also use the print function, print my underscore string, and then it prints it. So as you can see, this is the string, this is the contents of the string. There's a difference. The string itself is, well, it's the string, and then that is the difference. And then there's also things, strings are also immutable, meaning you don't really change them. What you can do, wait, oops, I just opened Discord. Sorry about that. What you can do with some of them is I could do string dot top, I think, let's see, my string dot pop B. No, I don't remember how to use the pop function. I'll skip that for now. What else is there? So if we go here, alright, so we'll do type. This is how you find the type of the string. If it is a string, it might be a tuple, which we'll go to next time. It's C class string, str means string. That's what that means. Now if we wanted to do something else, we can do dictionary, which is pretty simple. You just have curly braces, or brackets, whatever you want to call them. I could put A, B, C. That's not a C. A, B, C. Now, wait. Each of these is a string or a tuple, and now if we bring up my unexpected result, but it does print it nonetheless. Let's see, does it also use CBA? Huh, it does. Interesting. Now, let's see. I could use print. And it prints it the same way. Okay. It prints it anyway. Alright, that's that then. Now, there are ways to do loops. So let's say we wanted to do a while loop. So while, let me get rid of this. While true, you want to make sure that true is capital, okay? Or else, as you can see, now you always put a colon afterwards, and then we can do anything. So we can do print. Didn't want to do that. Okay. Print. Let's see what's happening. Print. Oh, you know why? That's because I didn't put that in there. Sorry. And it's not going to stop printing it until my memory goes down. Way too much. A lot too much. See, it's not going to stop. Now, in this case, we can use Control CC, and that'll quit it. Now we can do this for anything. So I'm going to teach you guys a thing here. So, thing called plus equals. So we want to do define a variable called apple again, and call it, and make it 20, just for, let's make it 10, that's an easy number, 10 just for now. And now we want a variable called, we don't want another variable, so there's a function called the plus equals, it's a plus equals function, and this works for anything. So you put slash equals divided by, so what that does is, let's do apple plus equals 10. So we know that apple's 10. So we go here, and then apple ends up being 20. So what that does is it adds this number right here to that, and it makes that variable that number. So we can keep doing that. So let's say we wanted to make a little code here. Let's do A, B, C, D. input. So we're going to use the input function here. Let's say input start question mark, and so we're going to want to make this equal set to a variable. So you can also set strings to a variable. So in this case, input would be, we'll just make it input underscore player, and then we put if input underscore player equals equals. So you want to make sure it's equals equals, or else it doesn't work. I don't remember exactly why, which I can go over that next time, but it just doesn't work. So we want input player equals yes, and then we want to put a colon. You want to put a colon after every if or for else an else statement, or else it doesn't work. And you can see it tabs us over, which means we're inside that. That's what's going to happen if the player says yes. Now we could do apple plus equals 1, and then we can put print apple. That's not apple. And then we want to make sure that apple is actually set to something, or else it'd be like, what's wrong? There's nothing there. What do you mean there's apple? So apple equals at 10. Oops. Yes. What? Sorry about that. Module name. Oh, alright, so you see you want to make this there, like that. Sorry, that's what I call it. Yes. Yes. So I'm gonna put that in. There, so if we highlight all this and we can tab it over. There we go. For a in range. So this is a for loop. So a for loop tells you, you can tell Python how many times you want it to execute something. So let's say you want for in range 10. It will do that 10 times. So as you can see, we want a thing in there. Yes. Oops. Yes. Yes. Oops. Yes. And then I'll do that 10 times. If we don't want that, let's say we don't want this here, we can just go like this, and that makes it so that doesn't execute. So now we can do this, and it does that 10 times. So that's that. That's basic functions for you. So that's probably gonna be it for today. Hope you guys all enjoyed that, and I'll see you later.